How to fix mobile data not working. Check if you have any signal bars on your phone or not. In case you do not have any signal bars, the first thing you can try is going into your phone settings, SIM cards and mobile networks, and then selecting your SIM card if it's there, and going for preferred network type. So in this case, I have a preference for 3G networks. In some of the phones, you might have an auto option as well. So you can try one of these options. If that does not work and you do not get any kind of signal, just go back to your home screen and in your phone dialer, enter *#* 4636 #*#. Now that will take you to a testing screen, and select phone information 1 if you only have one SIM card based phone. If you have dual SIM, then you'll have 2 options and you'll have to choose accordingly in which slot you placed your SIM card. So in my case, I'm on slot 1, and you'll have an advanced option here to select the preferred network type. In your case, you might just go ahead and try a number of options, but the one I recommend is just to go with Global Auto PRL, and the phone will itself try to figure out which network it needs to connect to. Once you're done with that, you can actually run a ping test to see if data works or not. In case you do not get any kind of signal still, what you'll need to do is you'll need to see if the SIM card is placed properly in your SIM card tray or not, and you can get like a tray opener and just open it up and see for yourself if the SIM is even there or not. So I do have the SIM properly placed, and you can make sure that it's placed correctly, and just push it back in and see if you get signal or not on your phone. So in my case, no bars, and now I have the bars and everything looks good. Now in case you do not get any signal, in some cases what you'll need to do is try the other SIM card slot, because in some of the older phones they have only 3G compatibility on one SIM card tray and the other one is actually 4G. So what you will do is you will take out your SIM card slot and place it out in the other tray. Now all phones do not have this dual SIM card option. Sometimes it's only for the SD card. However, this phone that I'm demonstrating with is a dual SIM card phone. And now I have signal again on this phone. Perfect. Once you have the signal, you're good to go. In case you do not have any kind of signal still, one of the reasons why that happens is because you have an incompatible SIM card. And to determine that, what you can do is you can actually go into your browser if you have Wi-Fi, or you can go onto your computer and search for GSM Arena and then your phone name. So in my case, my phone is called GSM Arena Mi 8, and then I can go into the specification and see what bands my phone can connect to, and then I can actually contact the phone provider and ask them what bands they support as well, and that will give me an idea if my phone will actually work on their network or not. The other thing is maybe they have like a different SIM card that they need to provide to you, so you can check that with them and they'll be happy to help you. If you have got the signal working now, the next step would be to check if you have the data enabled or not. So in my case, I don't have the data option enabled, and once I enable it, I should be having mobile data. If that doesn't help you and you had that option enabled but still are not able to get data, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go into settings, and you can check if the VPN is turned on or off. Now, usually the VPN is turned to off. In rare scenarios, like office setting, you might need to have VPN, but usually you can just turn it off. And in case it's off, still data not working, we can go back, and the VPN option is sometimes not available on certain phones. Just for a note, you'll go in SIM cards and mobile networks, then you'll select the SIM card, and then you'll check if there are any access point name configurations here. Now you can actually search on Google a working access point name configuration. So in my case, I have a service provider public mobile, so I just search for them, and then I got the configuration details that I can use for internet connectivity. In case you find it too complex to figure out, you can always give a call to your service provider to send you the APN details, and that will make it easy for you. In case that helps you get connected, you're good to go. In case that still doesn't work and you still have the problem of no mobile data, you can check if you have an option called dual 4G, and you can try to turn it on and see if it actually works or not. In case it still doesn't work, there is default setting option, and in case you have a dual SIM phone, you'll have to actually select which SIM card tray you want to use for data. Now, if you still have the problem, a common reason is because you have data roaming option, and in that you have set it to never. Sometimes providers use other networks, especially when you're in different areas, and that can cause issue with connectivity. So you can just set it to always. If you get charged, then maybe for exceptions only, and that might help you resolve your data issue. If you still have the problem, what you can do is you can go into your SIM card settings, and then check if you have mobile network connectivity enabled or not to automatic. If you still have the problem, what you can actually do is sometimes the issue is because people have a data plan setting enabled on their phones, and what that causes is it actually disables data. So when I go into data usage warning, it says warn and turn off mobile data. So sometimes it actually disables data because you have been over your limit, and that causes it to stop working. So you can remove the daily data usage limit and see if your data works or not. So in rare cases, the issue might be that you're connected to the internet, however there is some kind of DNS issue, and to resolve that, what you can do is you can install the DNS Changer app, which is available on the Play Store, and you can select a specific DNS provider and just click on start using the app, and it will get you connected and working. Now, if none of these suggestions work, you can try two things. You can contact your ISP for your phone network and check with them if they have enabled data for your SIM card or not. The second thing would be that you can borrow a SIM card from someone and see if if you put that SIM card in your phone, the data is enabled or not, because that might help you isolate the issue, especially if the data is working on their phone with their SIM card. I hope you find this video very useful. And let me know if you have any questions through comments, and I'll be very happy to help you out. Thank you. Bye.